Hello, this is to assemble how to assemble the line pocket in preparation for sewing. So here's the bottom part of the bodice of the jacket, and this is the fabric, and the line interfacing is placed on the wrong side of the fabric, and the lining of the pocket is placed accordingly on the mark area of the pocket. This is the line where the pocket hole is going to be cut. So we put the lining over that, making sure that there is an even distance for the stitching. So after you lay it like that, you pin it together. As you can see, it's pinned so that the lining, the layers of fabric are not going to be moving while sewing. So we put this is the facing of the pocket. So as you can see, one side is going to be hemmed. So you put the part that's going to be hemmed toward the bottom of the pocket, which for now it is facing on top, but it's going to be folded like that. So it's actually the bottom is facing this way. So for now it's facing on top. So the hem part that's going to be sewn onto the lining is facing toward this way, and place the pocket facing, leaving about 5/8 from the raw edge of the lining. So, and also it should be placed about from 1 inch to 1.5 from this mark. So that's about right there. And we pin it so that we can sew it along. And so the next step will be sewing this part right here. Thank you for watching.